Welcome back, Flare community. Today we're going to do a follow-up from the Flare Finance NFT video from yesterday. So we know that they introduced this new NFT, and I really want to talk more specifically about this new module that they're working on. Back in August, they said one of our modules in development will offer extensive support for NFTs specifically. Stay tuned, and today we've got some information about this. This module is called Flare Drop and will be the 7th module offered by the Flare Finance platform. So here is the NFT in question, the DeLorean NFT, which commemorates Flare Finance past, present, and future events. And you know, this has some special features which you can't just get from saving the image. And I know this is a big topic where people are talking about the NFTs that you can just save them as a JPEG or a MP4 file and get the same benefits. But that is just not the case, and I'm going to explain further why that is not the case in a moment. So before we do move on, I want to bring to your attention this burning. They're going to start burning these NFTs. Now, there is 7,777 NFTs in existence once they first minted them, but this supply is actually going to reduce, meaning they will become more valuable over time. So let's look at the Medium article for some more details. Flare Finance, the Loyalist NFT Collection, and a brand new module. Flare Finance is pleased to announce the beginning of our journey into the wonderful world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. We would like to commemorate this moment with the launch of our Genesis NFT and the first new module that is to come. The Loyalist NFT Collection will be a collection of hand-curated art pieces from in-house and contracted NFT artists provided to the holders of the subscription NFT offered in the collection, the DeLorean NFT. So this is a new concept which I actually haven't seen before, a deflationary sale. So what does this mean? The DeLorean NFT will begin at a supply of 7,777, and the team will burn 10% of the remaining available supply for sale. This means that the DeLorean NFT will become more scarce as the sale goes on. Each NFT will go for 0.1 Ethereum plus any gas fees needed to complete the transaction. And this will be available to trade on both OpenSea and Rarible once purchased from the buy page on Rarible. Now, OpenSea and Rarible are basically just NFT platforms which are hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. The DeLorean NFT offers many benefits to its holders relative to the new Flare Drops module. Initially serving as a subscription token, the DeLorean NFT will also offer a number of great benefits, including discounts across the new module, free bonus NFT drops that can be used and traded within the module, access to private NFT sales offered by exclusive artists on the new module, and stakeable on the new module to access various yield opportunities. And that's the one that really has me excited. The fact that you're going to be able to stake an NFT to earn a yield. Very exciting indeed. So let's talk about the new module here. We are pleased to introduce Flare Drop. Flare Drop is the 7th module of the Flare Finance ecosystem, developed to offer an in-house NFT solution. Flare Drop will allow users of Flare Finance to trade and participate in auctions for various NFTs hand-curated from artists by the foundation themselves. Additionally, users can trade various non-fungible tokens placed on the market by holders of the DeLorean NFT, making the DeLorean NFT a form of a gatekeeper for upcoming artists hoping to see their artistic works hosted on the platform. So if you are a budding artist and you want to showcase your work on the Flare Drops module, you will need access to this DeLorean NFT. Holders of the DeLorean NFT who receive NFTs from up-and-coming artists can then choose to sell the NFT on the market. This whitelists the NFT collection and opens the market to allow trading for other NFTs in that specific collection. Let's move on. Flairdrop offers both single item and multi-item collections in the form of hot drops, which is a single item, and mint drops, which is a multi-item. This means selected artists can either prepare a collection to be minted and distributed to each purchaser, or prepare their item for public auction. Hot drops are single item drops that can be auctioned for a set amount for a time permitted by both the artist and the foundation. Mint drops are multi-item drops that can be traded on the open market once purchased and minted. And these are the interfaces here, and I think it looks great. It gives you your wallet there, and the drop down here, browse NFTs, you can view your collection. Very exciting indeed. And we have this one here, which gives you a little bit more detail about the NFT itself. And, you can submit bids and you can see the bidding history here. So it's basically going to be a marketplace, similar or comparable to Rarible and OpenSea, but obviously hosted on the Songbird or Flare platform. An auction will begin for a hot drop item once live. Holders can bid with any supported currencies, and if selected as the highest bidder, when bidding closes, the winner can then decide to either mint and remove their NFT or prepare it for a fractionalized trading. So that's something that's really interesting as well. The idea of having an NFT which may be very valuable, which you can then break up into various fractions, which can then be traded and shared between multiple people. I was very curious about this burn feature, and I really wanted to know how fast the supply would be reduced. So I basically just asked them. It's a really cool concept, and I'm wondering how frequently do you plan to do the 10% burn for the NFTs? And Flare Finance very hastily replied and said the burn amount will be recorded at 12 p.m. CET time every day, and the burns will be conducted daily. So every day the supply is going to be reduced by 10%. And that brings me to today, where they actually burnt 716 DeLorean NFTs. So these are basically going to become very scarce very fast, 10% each day. Now, I really want to go back to this idea of ownership with NFTs. People can save these files. People can save them as a video file, like an MP4, or they could even save the image files as, a JPEG or a PNG. It doesn't matter. Just because you have the asset on your system, on your computer, it doesn't mean that you actually own the NFT. The ownership is provided by the blockchain because you're able to prove that you have access to a particular wallet which holds the NFT. And a lot of these NFTs which we're seeing in the future, such as this DeLorean NFT and the Samurai NFTs, they really give this extra functionality which you can only receive as a holder. Now, many of you may know about the Flare Finance Samurai NFTs, which are very rare indeed. And as you can see here from the price history, I think the highest price was maybe 9 Ethereum here on OpenSea. Very expensive. But it's actually this particular NFT which is going to give a share of 1% of the team's profits. So, you're not going to get that from just having a file saved on your computer. So I think it's important to recognize that NFTs are really going to be a part of the future, whether you like them or not. And I think it's very important to understand what they're all about and why they could be so beneficial moving forward. So that's just a quick recap of the DeLorean NFT from Flare Finance, and it's great news in my eyes, and I'm very excited. I'm very happy and proud to be an owner of one, and we'll see where it goes. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. We're approaching that 40,000 subscriber milestone, and I'll be hosting a very big giveaway in the near future. So until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.